Picture this. You're sitting on your couch, enjoying a quiet evening, when out of the corner of your eye, something scurries across the floor. Your heart skips a beat, and you realize you've got a tiny, unwanted roommate. Mice and rats aren't just creepy. They're notorious for spreading diseases and causing damage to your home. But don't worry today. We're sharing a game-changing, humane solution that'll have you saying goodbye to these pesky invaders in under a minute. No poisons, no traps, no mess, just pure genius. The secret? It all comes down to understanding the natural instincts of rodents. Mice and rats rely heavily on their sense of smell to navigate and find food. Certain scents are like kryptonite to them, making your home instantly uninviting. The hero of our story: peppermint oil. Yes, peppermint oil. It's not just a delightful holiday fragrance, it's a powerful natural deterrent that rodents absolutely hate. The intense scent overwhelms their sensitive noses, making your home the last place they want to hang out. And the best part? It's completely safe for you, your kids, and your pets. Here's how to do it. Grab a small spray bottle, add a few drops of pure peppermint oil, and fill the rest with water. Shake it up and spray it around areas where you've noticed rodent activity. Think baseboards, corners, and under the sink. For an extra punch, soak some cotton balls in peppermint oil and place them in hidden spots like behind appliances or inside cabinets. The scent creates an invisible barrier that mice and rats won't dare cross. But wait, there's more. If peppermint isn't your thing, you can also use other strong natural scents like clove oil or eucalyptus oil. These work just as well and bring their own refreshing aromas to your home. It's like turning your rodent problem into a spa experience for your senses. Now you might be wondering, does this really work? Absolutely. Peppermint oil has been a trusted remedy for centuries, and even modern science backs its effectiveness. Rodents are creatures of habit, so breaking their comfort zone with a scent they can't tolerate is the perfect way to make them pack up and leave. And here's a pro tip while you're at it: take a moment to rodent-proof your home. Seal up any cracks or holes where they might sneak in, store food in airtight containers, and keep your space clean. The combination of prevention and peppermint will make your home a fortress they can't breach. This method isn't just effective, it's fast, affordable, and eco-friendly. No need to spend a fortune on traps or harmful poisons that put your family and the environment at risk. In just 60 seconds, you can create a rodent-free zone and reclaim your peace of mind. Before you dash off to try this, don't forget to hit that like button if you found this tip helpful. And if you're curious about more natural, hassle-free solutions for common household problems, check out our other videos. We've got plenty of tricks up our sleeves to make your life easier. Say goodbye to mice and rats, and hello to a fresher, calmer home. See you in the next one.